Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth Rathinam tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about data understanding, that is, how to identify the data source. Before starting this topic, we must know a role in the data science process. The first role is business analyst or domain expert. A business analyst or a domain expert, the person will have a deep understanding about the business product and he will know exactly where the data are available. In short, for the data science team, BA is the point of contact for any clarification or for any discussion. The business analyst going to guide us from company side who going to tell us what exactly needed from us. Now comes to the data understanding. So when I say we have to identify the data source, there are many ways they can provide us the data to start the project. Because Amazon company will be having a tremendous amount of data, so it's essential to decide what kind of data is necessary for our project. There are almost 6 types in which data source can be provided. Number 1, database like MySQL, Oracle database, or non-relational database like MongoDB. From this we have to get the data. I will show you how it looks like after completing this slide. And second one is Microsoft Excel, that is using the Excel sheet also they will provide the data. And third one, using the scrap from the website we can extract the data using the Scarpy or a Beautiful Soap tools. And fourth one, using the web APIs like Facebook or Twitter, they will provide us access to their servers. Using the web APIs we can able to access the data. Then Kaggle website is one of the very famous website. Using the Kaggle also we can download and use the data. And sixth one is the most used way, using the flat text file, either in the CSV file or TSV file. CSV means comma separated value, TSV means tab separated value. I will show you each screenshot. For example, if it is a MySQL, this is how the MySQL database look like, and we have to enter the server details, username, password and everything. These details will be provided by the Amazon. Using that we have to create the connectivity to their database and get the or extract the data from them. This is the screenshot of MongoDB, and using the Excel data source, this is an example of automobile price prediction. You can see automobiles like Audi, BMW, and what is the fuel type, then how many doors and other measurements like wheelbase, length, width, height and so on. This is how we will get the data, and we have to clean this data and go for the training of the model. Most of the project will be following the Excel data source. And third one, as I said, website scrap. Using Scarpy or Beautiful Soap tool, we can able to extract the data and change it to either CSV, XML, SQL and XLS also, that is Excel sheet. This is a Facebook API. If you Google Facebook API, you will get the developer link. Using that we can able to get the access of Facebook servers. They will give some access token. Using that we can able to access the data of Facebook. Same way for Twitter also. And Kaggle website, if you are new to the data science, the first mandatory step is to create an account in the Kaggle website. This is a very famous website where you can find enormous amount of data set for training the models, and also most of the competitions will be held in this website. Even you can participate in this competition. Try to create an account and fix this using the flat files, that is simple notepad. We can able to provide the data. In the left side you can see it is a comma separated value CSV file. Just they mentioned comma between each value. The first row is column and each row is one data point. That is region is north, city, GA, vendor, blue, like that. For each column this value will be like this. In the right side it is tab separated value. Each value is separated using a tab. we can also provide input values in this format. Why they are using flat files? Because we no need to purchase Microsoft Excel. It's a paid software, so most of the company will prefer either CSV or FSV model. After seeing these many types of data source, you may have a query: should I learn these many things in order to become a data scientist? For that, you must know the difference between the data engineer and a data scientist. The role of data engineer is he is the person who try to get these data and do the cleaning of the data and transform it to a readily available data. That is also called as data wrangling, and these data will be provided to the data scientist, and we use that data to train and test the model. And of course we will be also doing the data cleaning even in depth in order to get a proper output. Based on the companies, these roles will vary. Presently, the big companies, they have a separate role for data engineer and data scientist. But when you try for startup companies, they are expecting a person should able to do both data engineering and also data scientist process. Now, what I can suggest you is, we can't learn these many types of data sources like Scarpy tool and DB stuff, but you can learn in depth about MySQL, because MySQL is very easy. So the expectation is, if I give the database details, you should be in a position to write the query and take the data. Once we fetch the data, it is very easy to save as a Excel sheet. That's also the easiest step. That's about the data understanding. So we have completed business understanding and data understanding. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.